Over the weekend, my brother and I were helping out a buddy by bartending his wedding. At one point in the evening, we ran out of adult beverages and had to go outside to refill the coolers, and we came across this. Two baby, what appear to be great northern water snakes. We're over by the lights where there's a ton of bugs just buzzing around, and they are capitalizing on some easy meals right now. So we're gonna let them go. There's a pond nearby, which I think is where they probably hatch from, but this one's not in shed right now. This one, his colors are a little bit duller, so I'm assuming he's gonna shed before too long, but they're eating good out here because there are bugs everywhere.